Hey guys, my name's Tweety Bird, and I'm gonna go shoot Patrick. He's so annoying, so I gotta shoot him. Okay, I'm gonna go get him. Patrick, come here. Patrick. What? Oh, is that a gun? That's so cool. Whoa. You just died. Okay, I'm gonna go get my knife. Stab's my job. He terrorized little kids for ages and centuries even. Okay, let me go get my dagger. I'm gonna go call him, tell him I'm a fan, then I'm gonna stab him. Hello, yeah, SpongeBob, come here. Yeah, I'm one of your biggest fans. I'm your number one fan. Yeah, sure. Yes, what do you want? Hello, number one fan? Is it? What are you gonna do with that? I am Tweety Bird, the killer.